This is a 2018 R-Pod number 179 by Forest River. Only weighs 3,000 pounds, very lightweight. It's got an electric tongue jack, electric awning. It's a single axle trailer. So it's a little bit rough in some spots. I'd say this is a make me an offer type of camper. It's like somebody started a remodel and didn't finish it. Full disclosure, it does smell a little bit like smoke. So we've got what they call a wet bathroom with the toilet and the shower and the sink all in one. Gas electric refrigerator. Of course, your microwave, grill top. I think this is what they would call a rear kitchen floor plan. The dinette's been taken apart to gain access to whatever's going on down here. Like I said, full disclosure. Queen bed up in the nose. Give me a call anytime. Eric Deshane at Camperland, 918-504-7727. Make me an offer on this one. I think we're advertising it for just shy of $13,000. Thank you.